For years, the iPad mini was the forgotten child of the Apple family, the one that got updates whenever Tim Cook remembered it existed. But something shifted in the labs at Cupertino recently. As we approach the era of the iPad mini 8, the narrative isn't just about a smaller screen anymore. It's about a device that is arguably more important to Apple's future than the iPad Pro itself. The iPad mini 7 was a safe bet. It gave us the A19 Pro, Apple Intelligence support, and a fix for that annoying jelly scrolling. But the iPad mini 8? This is the one we've been waiting for since 2021. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is the machine that bridges the gap between a smartphone and a professional workstation. If the leaks are even 50% accurate, the iPad mini 8 is going to be the most powerful device per square inch on the planet. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the display. For a decade, mini users have begged for one thing, OLED. And the supply chain reports are finally screaming it. We are looking at a move away from liquid retina toward a custom-built OLED panel. Imagine the deepest blacks, the most vibrant HDR highlights, and a contrast ratio that makes your current mini look like a faded newspaper. But there's a catch that most people are missing. Apple isn't just giving us OLED for the colors, they are doing it for efficiency. OLED allows for a thinner chassis and better battery management, which is crucial when you're packing the kind of heat that's rumored for the internal silicon. Speaking of heat, let's dive into the brain of this beast. The latest kernel code leaks suggest Apple might do something they've never done before. While the Mini usually lags a generation behind the iPhone's Pro chips, the iPad mini 8 is rumored to skip the line. We are talking about the A19 Pro, or potentially even the A20 Pro if the launch slides into late 2026. This isn't just a fast chip. This is a 2-nanometer architecture designed for a world where AI isn't just a feature, it's the OS. Imagine running full-scale LLMs, generating 4K video through Sora-level AI models, or playing console-exclusive titles like Death Stranding or Resident Evil at native resolutions with 0 frame drops. The iPad mini 8 is being positioned as the ultimate handheld gaming console, a direct shot across the bow of the Steam Deck and the ROG Ally. But while those devices are bulky and have the battery life of a 1990s laptop, the Mini 8 is designed to stay in your jacket pocket all day. But here is where it gets truly wild. There is a persistent rumor about a speakerless design. Now, before you panic, Apple isn't taking away your sound. They are reportedly testing vibration-based audio technology, similar to what we've seen in high-end Sony TVs, where the entire screen becomes the speaker. Why would they do this? Waterproofing. By removing the physical speaker grills, the iPad mini 8 could become the first fully waterproof iPad. Think about that for a second. A tablet you can take into the pool, use in the bath without a care in the world, or take out into a rainstorm for field work. This changes the utility of the Mini from a couch device to a take-everywhere tool. The design is also expected to see a shaving of the bezels. We've had the same 8.3-inch footprint for a while, but the rumors point toward an 8.7-inch display squeezed into the exact same physical dimensions. This all-screen dream is finally becoming a reality. When you hold this thing, it won't feel like a